Okay, given that 2x squared minus 1 bracket to the power 4 plus y plus 2 to the power 4 equals 0. Find the value of x minus y. How do we get x minus y from this expression, this algebraic expression? Okay, if you want to expand it, okay, by Pascal's triangle, of course you can also expand it manually. So by Pascal's triangle, if you expand this one, this is power 1, power 2, this is power 1, power 2, okay, and then power cube, power 3, okay, and then power to the power of 4. So the first one is always in descending order, say a minus b, okay, so it's always in descending order. The first one will be a to the power of 4, and then a to the power of 3, a to the power of 2, a to the power of 1, a to the power of 0, and then 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 is the coefficient. So if we expand this one, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and then 2x in descending order, the power, 2x to the power of 4, 2x to the power of 3, 2x to the power of 2, 2x to the power of 1, and 2x to the power of 0, of course, is 1. And then minus 1. Okay, minus 1 to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Minus 1 to the power of 1. Okay, minus 1 to the power of 2, minus 1 to the power of 3, and last one, minus 1 to the power of 4. So, and then you tidy out the maths. This is the expression. Okay, same for the other term, y plus 2 to the power of 4. It's also 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, the coefficient 1. Okay. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Y in descending order, y to the power of 4, power 3, power 2, power 1, and the power 0. And then 4, this term, power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then finally tidy out the maths. Of course, you can, as like I say, you can do it manually, expand it manually, or using a binomial theorem to get the expression. But you can see that it looked very complicated. Okay, the two expression, you won't be able to get x minus y. Okay, and then how to solve this question? Always remember, maths, we are trying to make life simple. Okay, so whenever you get something, when you're asked to x minus y, you're asked to find x minus y. So always think of this. This term plus this term equals 0. Okay, we always know that when we do a solving equation, we always have something times something equals 0. It's a bracket multiplied by another bracket equals 0. So say bracket A and bracket B. Bracket A could be 0 or bracket B could be 0. Of course, both can be 0, but of course, we only want one of them to be 0. If not, if both are 0, then it's not interesting anymore. So this is one way. If we face this kind of equation, a bracket multiplied by a bracket equals 0. So it could be A equals 0 or B equals 0. But if something minus something equals 0, that means these two must be the same. A must be equals to B in order to get 0. So in this case, if A equals to B, the easier way, if A is a very complex term, this is also a very so-called very complicated term. So we try to make life easy. You may want to like it equal to 0. A could be 0. If A is 0, B must be 0 because 0 minus 0 is 0. Of course, another assumption could be A is equals to B. Okay, so but we do not know what is A, we do not know what is B, then the easier, the simplest way is to let A equals 0 and B equals 0. Okay, both must be the same. So similarly for A plus B. Okay, if A plus B equals 0, of course A could be minus B. Or another assumption could be A is 0 and B is 0. If both are 0, then the answer, of course, is 0. Okay, if B is minus A, of course, A plus minus A will be 0. But if we have no information at all, like I said, if we have no information at all, just have a very simple mind. Okay, just like it, this be 0 and this be 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, so we may want to let this equal to 0 and this equals to 0. Because 0 plus 0 equals to 0. The given expression is 0. Okay. So if both are 0, this is 0, this is 0. So 2x minus 1 to the bracket of 4 is 0. I plus 4 to the bracket to the power 4 is 0. So we know that 2x minus 1 will be 0. So x will be half. The other one, y plus 2 equals 0. Y will be minus 2. So we have found our x and y. Okay, in this case, we can find x and y from here. So now the question is asking you, what is x minus y? Okay, so x minus y, we know that x is half, y is minus 2. So half minus minus 2, minus minus is like plus, so plus 2. So half plus 2 is 2.5, so it's 2.5.